Umentri ke sorkar jela ubaderu unong aiktian ke sorkar ba polengdo hini kesngi habakran berginong thok khubor haror ka jingja halapangap West Jaintia Hills District ulayat hu baki pulet jang ka Megalia ke lashimkhia halor kani ka jingja ula benrap ru da ka baong bakin pet baka shong suk shong san jang kitu ki jaka kandon ulong ru ba unsa ya kendo ya Home Minister banakran halor kani Shushu ulaong badangshen kadon ka meeting balalum do Deputy Chief Minister basnya balang dhar halor ki kam kaput. Uba pol ula benrap da ka baong ba kajingelang hapadeng ki Chief Minister ki yad pe yad renti henre halor kani ka jingja kin pet bat panjing shai halor kini.
About the update.
Why don't you speak to HM?
No, actually, we tried, but since we are not getting.
I do not have any details.
We'll apprise you about that. There was a skirmish.
I know.
So, what are the measures being taken?
Most of the facts are not known to me at this point of time because I was in a series of meetings. But I can share with you that the Meghalaya police has also stepped into the picture. We will intervene, ensure the safety and security of the residents of the affected areas, and I will also be meeting the Deputy CM in charge home to get further details and updates from him.
Pangam, is it included in the disputed area discussion? Is it there in the discussion table?
There was a meeting taken by Deputy CM, Mr. Dhar, a couple of weeks back, so you will get details from him.
Otherwise, this is an area of difference?
I do not have that information ready with me. I will not know specifically the names of, because this involves a cluster of villages. So whether this particular village falls under area of difference or not, I have yet to.
So will you be suggesting a joint inspection by the concerned?
Since the Deputy CM in charge transport is also the chairman of the regional committee for West Jaintia Hills, he will be the best person to respond to your queries.
But don't you think like Meghalaya government at least should register a protest with Assam for this incident because they started this entire thing?
Absolutely. We will, because if you recall the meeting we had at the CM's level was very cordial, and as a follow-up to that, the Deputy CM, who represents the West Jaintia Hills sector of the disputed areas, had also gone to the to meet his counterpart, the chairman of the regional committee from Assam. So I suggest that you also follow the matter up with him as chairman of the regional committee.
So as we understand, I think this issue will not be resolved till the next elections in Assam.
That anybody can surmise one way or the other. But we will seek full details from both the Deputy CMs, one who is in charge of Home and the other who is the chairman of the regional committee for West Jaintia Hills.
This indicates, don't you think that it again indicates that the border talks should be expedited, the second portion, the second part of the
As you are aware, as many as 5 villages have now been covered under what we call resolved areas where differences have been resolved, and the formal announcement will be made on Independence Day, meaning August 15, 2025. So before we reach August 15, we will maximize attempts to resolve this particular sector as well. Yeah? Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.